Chicmas day 4. I'm with Abby, who's back there. Abby, say hi. And Hubs, who is getting gas. We are in Valencia, like literally like right down the street from Six Flags. So we are going to be experiencing Holiday in the Park, but the drive-thru version. What time is it? It's 5:43. Our tickets are 7 o'clock, so we're gonna get gas, maybe get some coffee bean and tea leaf, like hot chocolate or something, because we did order Six Flags Magic Mountain's famous sweet treat. And yeah, we're going to experience it all together, and hopefully the footage we get, the b-roll, the camera angles, all that, hopefully everything turns out well. Are you excited, Abby? I guess. She's excited. She's just kind of like, you know, a little bit more chill about it. In line for the coffee bean and tea leaf. I guess they're closed because of the curfew. Well, I guess no drinks. Damn. McDonald's it is for a drink. I don't think you can see it, but that's my favorite ride in the whole world. It's X2, but it's dark. Oh no, it is lit. Never mind. It'll kind of be like that. As long as it's like good.
Falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
What is everybody's verdict
It was
for
okay.
drive or Holiday in the Park out of 10?
4.
No.
I give it a 10 because that's the only thing you can do. Can't do anything else.
Yeah, I think it's an advantage if you are a member.
Yeah.
Because that was what? Like, how long was
Well, what
that?
else can you do? Nothing, right? This is the only thing you can do. So there's no comparison to anything.
No, but there are other drive-thrus.
What?
There are a few other ones that I've seen, but this one was like, was it 20 minutes?
Yeah.
The overall experience it's like heartwarming, don't you think? It's nice. It's really nice to see it. They added a lot more lights than they normally do. So let me just share with you really quickly. We got their famous funnel cake because we're members and we're always there. We rarely get their funnel cake, so I thought this was definitely an occasion to get it. So we each have one. Well, Hubs and I are sharing. Abby has her own, and yeah, definitely when Six Flags opens up again, you have to try their funnel cake at least once because there's always a long line for this. So we have funnel cake and hot chocolate, which is
Mine is gone.
Is it gone? I didn't even touch mine. I forgot to mention that we're parked right in front of Twisted Colossus. It's a beautiful view. Now, time for us to open our advent calendars, and we're gonna start with the English Tea Shop advent calendar. So this is Tea Time with 10. We are on day number 4, right over here. Ooh, dang, one just fell out. Please excuse my nails. One nail, we had like a one nail mishap at Six Flags, and then I just kind of took the rest off. Pour our hot water. This one smells a little bit fruity, like peaches in a way. Let's see. The name of this one is Peachy Keen. Ah, okay, there we go. That is why it smells like peaches. Organic hibiscus herbal tea with rosehip, lemon, lemongrass, cinnamon, and apple. Let's put it back. Trader Joe's advent of the cocktail hour chocolate truffles. Day number 4 is right down here. I hope we get a different one today since we've gotten the 2 of the same ones already. It's different. So it's more of like a dark chocolate. It smells like caramel. Day number 4 for the Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar. Day number 4 is right up here. Here's day number 4. So let's open it and let's first read the joke of the day, which is, did you hear about the popcorn that joined the army to give up? They made him a colonel. I'm gonna have to tell Darren that, and he's probably just gonna be like, okay, Mom, all right. Okay, anyway, this one is strawberries and cream popcorn. Let me take a picture of this one and send it to Darren. Okay, so we're sending this to him. Holiday in the Park, the drive-thru experience. Oh my gosh, let me just say that hands down, Six Flags, whoever thought of it to have the drive-thru experience was just pure genius. I mean, honestly, like, the way how everything was laid out and the whole, you know, just like going through everything, it was just so perfect. It was mapped out beautifully, and I love how they had Crazanity running. That's like one of the roller coasters. It looked like a peppermint. That's how Abby had described it. And just seeing the park and being in the park, it made me feel so much happiness. Hands down, an amazing job, and hats off to them for putting this whole thing together, especially at a time like this when people really need all the joy and just seeing some, you know, bring them a bit of happiness. Overall, a wonderful experience. That's all I gotta say about it. So thank you, Six Flags, for putting this whole thing together. It was just a wonderful experience. Let's go ahead and try our Peachy Keen tea, which smells very good. It's a little bit tart. It's still okay, but it's tart. Let's try our chocolate. think this is liqueur de café. I think that's what it is. It's good. Let me see, what did Darren say? If you've been watching the vlogs for a while, like for a couple of years now, then I think you'll get this, but I'll also explain it. Darren said you're gonna open the one for December 25 and it's gonna be Mentos, because there was 1 year advent calendar and we are on day number 10. Oh no! Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I don't even want to look at that. Something. Wait a second. Wait a second. Somebody opened my advent calendar and replaced it. Oh my gosh, you guys are horrible. Who did this? Somebody replaced some of the chocolates and put a Mentos, and somebody put a Halls candy on day number 17. Jonathan! That is not okay. You just ruined 2 days of the advent calendar. I'm gonna open the calendar that you guys have. That is so not okay. I'm gonna go get their advent calendar because that's not cool. That is funny. So anyway, okay. I'm gonna text them back in a second. Let's try the strawberries and cream popcorn. Got stuck in my tooth though. Let us go through the comments from yesterday's vlog. Watermelon Gal. And that is Nai. Hi Nai. And she says, hi Christine, I keep forgetting to tell you, but I love your intro. Oh, thank you, Nai. And she says, so festive and cute. I cannot believe your hubs did that and leaving you with 1 popcorn. I hope the camera thing works. And yes, oh my goodness. Thankfully, the whole camera setup worked. Actually, I used this vlog camera that I'm using right now. Thank you so much for commenting, Nai. So please comment below if you have any suggestions on movies I should check out on Netflix, on Amazon. We also have HBO, what is it, HBO Max? Really appreciate your feedback. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and hope you enjoyed the whole holiday in the park drive-thru experience, and also enjoyed Chicmas Day 4. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 5. Mwah.